Different set of representatives from the state, the Department of Corrections, and the union representing correction officers also came together in state Supreme Court today, almost a week after a judge granted a temporary order to bring the unsanctioned strike to an end. Our Sarah Mikowitz was inside the courtroom today and has the latest, including whether the state plans on seeking additional legal action against those workers. Sarah.
Dave, both sides agree that they want to put an end to the unsanctioned strike and get people back to work. A representative from the union said, quote, a resolution is going to happen in mediation, not the courtroom. Dennis Vacco is the attorney representing the union. He made it clear that the union does not sanction this job action. He says the union wants COs to go back to work, but under safe working conditions. Meanwhile, Assistant Attorney General Christopher Boyd, who represents the state, says if he's given orders from the governor's office to issue violations, that is what they will do. Governor Kathy Hochul spoke on the strike today. She says because these are unsanctioned strikes, it makes negotiating more challenging.
We offered them amnesty after a day or two. They could have gone back. You made your point. Thank you. We hear you. I get it. The hours and shifts are too long. But when they're not represented by a union, and I'm negotiating with a union, I'm asking the union, what do they want?
Now, Hochul says the state has already given in to some of the demands correctional officers have made, including making changes to the HALT Act. Both parties will dial into a phone conference Monday morning, and then will meet back in the courtroom later next week, unless mediation talks lead to a resolution or fall apart. In the studio, Sarah Mikowitz, News 4.